guys, this is my payment received of ton coin every hour, claimed free ton to your faucetpay wallet. Like you see, this is my payment received. Today I will show how to mine free ton coin, also earn from ads and promote your referral link with low prices. Watch carefully. Let's go to other mining bot. Like you see, this is our mining bot for Toncoin. You join from link in the first comment of the video. All link will be in the first comment of the video. Also there is an airdrops links and other mining coins. There is 100% verified coin. Like you see, you enter to the bot, you claim every hour. I already claimed my Toncoin like that. We have also, you will get daily reward here. We go to your wallet, you just enter your faucetpay email and withrow. If you make withrow like you see, withrow completed, we return to our faucetpay and see if we receive our payment. Like you see, we scroll down. Like you see, we get another payment now. Like you see, this is our second payment of this ton mining bot. Very easy to mine, very easy to earn from this bot. No need anything, just enter every hour and claim free ton to your faucetpay wallet directly. Nothing is needed anymore. Let's go to our site of ads. This is our site of ads. Like you see, you join from the link in the first comment of the video. You get 15 ads to work with at daily. I had 0.14 $, like you see. Like you see, time to time you enter to the site, you will get 15 ads to work. It's very simple. When you click in star, it will claim all your ads without doing anything. Just let the site work for you. For some seconds, you will be claiming all your earning. Like you see, for free one, you will get 15 ads daily. If you want to maximize your earning, you can choose a plan for other mining plan. Like we see, for this mining plan, it's for $0.9 daily. For $91 yearly, you will get the $2 daily. This is plans of this site. If you want to work in free, you can work in free. If you go to withrow, you can withrow in like you see, in cryptocurrency here. You can withrow in cryptocurrency here. That's very simple. Also join my channel. There is many tricks in my channel. You will find how to get wallet for hamster combat. You will get wallet for hamster combat. The first video will be in the Telegram channel. You see how to make your hamster combat wallet. Let's go to other site. This is our site. Like you see, this is our site. You join this site, you register. If you scroll down here, you see there is many options for many sites. If you go to Telegram, there is many options also for many services. You choose referral boosting. Like you see here, you will find referral for Pixel Tap, for Hamster, for Dog House, for Catizen, for Blam, for Mass Compile, for YesCoin, for Pep Miner, for Cat Refuge, and other huge like you see, this is huge one. Fuel mining, banana, birds on 2, clown town 6. This is for many bots. Like you see, for hamster $0.3 for every referral. For $1 you get 3 referral. It's very good. There is other for example, for cats refuge you will get $0.1. For $1 you get 10 referral. It is how it's work. For people who want to get a pep miner, like you see, if we choose pep miner, it's for $0.1 for every referral. For $1 you get 10 referral. For $2 you get 20 referral daily. You can claim here. You put your link here and you order. For if we put 10, we'll get for $1.2 USDT. This is how it's work. This it's very simple. For top up, you can top up by cards, by EK money, by Payeer, perfect money, USDT TRC 20 or Tron TRC or Litecoin. You can minimum top up is $10 for this site to get free referral for your bots. This house work also for every social media that you want. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.